Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. I just received a new batch of tape from the Washi tape shop, so I thought I would show those to you. And right now they have their Valentine sale. You can save 18% site-wide with the code Cupid. This code expires on February 14th, 2025, so you only have a few days. I do have a link in the description box if you want to check out the rest of their products. And if you're watching this after the code expires, you can always save 10% with my code KristieM10. The first roll of washi tape I'm showing you is called Imperial Glimmer. I have the PET tape that's gilded. There's the gold and also the silver detail. It's so pretty. This roll is 5 meters. The designs start to loop at around 100 centimeters. And there are 10 different images. This design is also available in non-gilded, so if you don't want that extra detail, that is an option. And it is available in washi tape, so the paper style versus the clear background. The next design is called Heartstrings. I have the PET tape style, but it's also available in washi tape. I love the large images. These are perfect for cards, journals, scrapbooks. The roll is 5 meters long and the designs start to loop around 100 centimeters. This roll includes 10 different designs. I love the variety of seasons, so you could use this throughout the year. The images are not pre-cut, but since they're all rectangles, super easy to cut these out, add them to your project. I'm showing the images on some white cardstock so you can really get that vibrant color. The images are slightly transparent, so you can see the difference when I place them on my craft mat. You can even see the white grid lines through the image. The next roll also has some of the larger images. It's called Cupid's Muse. I have the PET tape style, but it's also available in washi tape. This roll is slightly longer at 5.18 meters and the designs loop at 103.6 centimeters. Some of the images are smaller, others are longer. I think these would also work really well for cards or scrapbooks. There are images of different seasons, holidays. Here's one with a Christmas tree. And just like the previous designs, they're all rectangle images, so they're super easy to cut out. The next two rolls can be purchased individually or as a set, and both of them are available in PET and washi tape styles. The first one I'm showing you is pre-cut Twilight Veil. So it's one long image, but it is pre-cut. I absolutely love the colors. This is a really fun and unique design. You could just cut out part of it, put it at the bottom of a journal, scrapbook page, or a card. It's just over 5 meters long and the design loops at 125.6 centimeters. The next design is called Twilight Kumo, and I also have the PET tape. You can purchase the two together, so you can have the pre-cut Twilight Veil and also Twilight Kumo, or you can buy them individually. The colors on both of these sets are just gorgeous. I love the twilight sky with all the purple clouds. And the design starts to loop at 100 centimeters. So now moving on to some beautiful spring flowers. This design is called Pre-Cut Peony Reverie, and I have the washi tape, so it's that paper tape style. Lots of gorgeous flowers, and I love that the images are all pre-cut, so no fussy cutting required. It is available in the PET tape style, which is also pre-cut. The roll is 5 meters long, and the designs start to loop around 100 centimeters. I love the variety of different floral sizes, and with either style, the PET or the washi, you can overlap the images. The next two designs I'm showing you are part of a 3 washi tape roll set. I only have 2 of them. The first design is called Scarlet Bloom, and the 3-roll set is also called Scarlet Bloom. I thought I would show unwrapping at least one of the rolls. Everything is packaged so nicely in some tissue paper, and I always keep the end piece with the name of the roll. I just tuck it on the inside. This set is only available in the washi tape style. The flowers and colors are just gorgeous. Each roll in the set includes 5 meters of tape. The second roll that's included in the Scarlet Bloom set is called Golden Haze. This is another gorgeous design, lots of cheerful yellow roses. The last roll that's included in this set that I don't have is called Berry Wings, so be sure to check it out on their website. The last 2 rolls I'm showing you are also part of a 3-roll set. You cannot purchase them individually. The set is called Morning Blush. This first design I'm showing you is the Morning Blush. Each roll is 5 meters long, and this set is only available in the washi tape style. The second design I'm showing you that's part of the Morning Blush set is called Pastel Meadow. It's another gorgeous floral design. The last roll in the set that I don't have is called Million Bells, so be sure to check out their website for a look at that last roll. Here's another look at the PET and washi tapes that I received from the Washi Tape Shop, and all of these are now available. If you are interested in purchasing any of them, I do have a link in the description box below. Coming soon, I will be sharing a card video featuring some of the new tapes. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.